Assalamu alaikum. Hello to everyone. It is me Muhammad Haris and you are watching my YouTube channel GPS New Book on Wall, abbreviated as Good Parents and Students of New Book on Wall. Today I have a very special tutorial for all of you. In this video I will be showing you step by step how to draw everyone's favorite honey loving bear Winnie the Pooh. That is, the title of my today's video is a very famous cartoon character, a yellow colored, innocent and funny Pooh. As you can watch, I have already started my tutorial from the basic shapes, so you can follow each step that I am using to draw this cute and innocent cartoon character. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned artist, you can follow along and create your very own this Pooh drawing. You can watch this tutorial and you can examine. You have to start by outlining the basic shapes that form the foundation of this lovable bear. From there, you will gradually add details, and all these steps will lead to our final shape of a lovely bear cartoon character. As I progress, you can see how these simple lines and curves come together to capture the essence of Winnie the Pooh. The end of this adorable drawing is quite near. Hope you enjoyed the video. You can subscribe my channel and can press on the bell icon for future updates regarding drawing videos and educational activities. So see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. I am Muhammad Haris. Allah Hafiz.